07 First Light manually to NVIDIA App if not showing NVIDIA App. 1. Launch the game once, start 007 First Light, let it reach the main menu, close the game, open the NVIDIA App, check if the game appears automatically. 2. Refresh the NVIDIA App game library. Open the NVIDIA App, go to Graphics, click the Refresh Rescan option, wait for the scan to finish. Check if 07 First Light is detected. Number 3. Add the game folder manually. Open the NVIDIA App, go to Settings, find Scan Locations, click Add Folder, select the folder where 07 First Light is installed, start a new scan. 4. Locate the game executable. Open the installation folder, find 007 First Light EXE or the main game executable. Note the file location, you may need it for manual configuration. 5. Update the NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA App, go to Settings, check for updates, install the latest version, restart the application. Number 6. Update NVIDIA graphics drivers. Open the NVIDIA App, navigate to Drivers, download and install the latest driver, restart your PC, rescan for games. Number 7. Run NVIDIA App as administrator. Close the NVIDIA App, right-click the NVIDIA App shortcut, select Run as administrator, perform another game scan. 8. Verify game installation. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, right-click 007 First Light, select Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to finish. 9. Reinstall the NVIDIA App. Uninstall the NVIDIA App, restart your PC, install the latest version, open it and perform a full game scan. 10. Add the game through Windows Graphics Settings. Open Settings, go to System, Display, Graphics. Click Browse, select 007 FirstLight.exe, add it manually, set it to high performance.